Hello, good evening, friends. Today I am going to discuss the problem based on normality, friend. So let us see some of the problem based on normality. And the part one, I told you, student, what is the definition for normality, how to calculate the normality. Now in this video lecture, we will solve the normality. Dear student, I told you that is normality is equal to formula. I told you, student, that is normality is equal to normality, that is represented by capital N, equal to, student, how much we are writing, student, that is number of gram equivalent, equal to what we are saying, student, number of gram equivalent, okay, student, number of gram equivalent divided by volume of solution in liter, volume of solution in liter. So dear student, solution in liter. So dear student, what we have to do, student, that is how to follow this type of question when two things are there, when given mass is there, student. So you have to follow this formula, and if other things are there, one more formula we can give is go to that formula, student. Normality is equal to what, student, that also we can go n into molarity. So student, that formula also you can either you write the first one or the second one. So you either calculate molarity, and here is n factor. N factor, student, I told you also, this is also known as valency factor. So this n factor I will explain whenever the question will come, student. So whether you are applying this first formula or second formula, both are the same, student. You try to find out the problem. Okay, so with the help of problem I am explaining this, student. So let us go and solve some of the problem, then you will be, this is a very interesting, student. So question number 1 I am writing, student, question number 1. So what is question number, what is the normality of solution? Question is saying, student, what is the normality of solution, what is the normality of solution, and what they are saying, student, that contains 1.5 gram of calcium hydroxide, that contains 1.5 gram of calcium hydroxide dissolve in 850 ml of dissolve in 850 ml dissolve in 850 ml 850 ml. Dear student, this problem can be solved by the two methods. So firstly, what you can do, student, for either you calculate the molarity and n factor, or you can do, student, that is you calculate the equivalent mass. So how I am doing, student, firstly I am calculating the molarity. Okay, so solution. So what formula we will apply, student, in this case I am telling you, that is normality is equal to what I am writing, student, this formula I will apply. So normality is equal to, if you go n factor into molarity, this formula we have to apply. So normality capital N is equal to, we will apply small n into molarity. So let us firstly calculate, student, molarity. Molarity, student, molarity is what, student, capital M is equal to number of moles divided by volume in liter. Okay, volume in liter. Dear student, number of moles, how to write, student, given mass upon molar mass, given mass upon molar mass, given mass upon molar mass. This I am doing, student, number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass, and volume in liter, student, what is volume in ml divided by what is 1000, divided by 1000. So it will convert into liter. Now you see, student, how much given mass is there here. What is the molarity of solution that contain 1.5 gram of calcium hydroxide? So 1.5 gram, student, divided by molar mass of calcium hydroxide, student. If you see calcium hydroxide, MCaOH whole twice, student, how much will come, student? Calcium is, student, 40 plus what are their oxygen 16 plus 1 multiply by 2. So how much will come, student? 40 plus 17 to the 34. So how much will coming, student? 74. So this is the molar mass. Now student, here is we are putting how much? 74 divided by what we can write, volume in ml is there, student. How much? 850 ml. So if you are writing, student, here is 850 ml. So if you are writing 850 ml, milliliter is converted into liter by dividing by 1000. So this will be simplified. If you are simplifying, student, 1.5 into 1000 divided by 74 into how much? 850. So how much the value final answer will come, student? If you divide, it is coming 0.0238. It is coming 0.0238. Okay, 38. This is molar. So after getting this molarity, student, normality, what you can apply, student? Normality, capital N is equal to what, student? Small n into molarity. अब dear student, for the normality, how to calculate n factor? Okay, so if you want to get the n factor, student, here, so calcium hydroxide n factor, here student, n factor for what, student? Calcium hydroxide. So you see, student, how many calcium hydroxide it will give. So calcium hydroxide, if you ionize, student, it will give Ca2 plus plus 2OH minus. So how many? So n factor, you can write, student, n factor is equal to number of OH minus ion, So how many, student? 2. So n is equal to how much coming, student? 2. So here you put the value is n factor value 2, student, multiply by molarity, how much coming? 0.0238. So how much the final value is coming, student? If you take, it is coming 0.476 normal. 0.476 normal. So here in the on the top of the board I am writing, student, here what we can write here. So normality, how much you are getting? Therefore normality of solution, how much you are getting, student? That is 0.476 capital N normal. So this is our answer of the problem. Now student, what you do, let us try some more problem and then you try to understand the concept in better way. So let us see what are the other problem, student. One the simple problem I am giving you, student, that you try to solve in both the methods, student. So what the problem, student? Calculate the normality of, the question is given, student. What the question is? Calculate the normality of, here I am writing the problem on the board, student, after erasing this. So question number 2. Question number, calculate the normality of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, when what, student? When 2 gram is present in where, student? 2 gram is present in 800 ml solution. 800 ml solution. This is our question, student. So the same way you can do, student, that is, if you are doing the solution, student, so normality, student, how to write normality? Capital N, student, is equal to N into molarity. So for this problem, what we need to, student, calculate the molarity. N factor, student, N factor, NaOH is there, student. What is there? That is NaOH. If you ionize this, how much is it giving? Na plus OH minus. So N factor is equal to number of OH minus ion equal to how many there, student? 1. So N equal to 1. So the N value we got, student. Now what value we need to get, student? That is, we have to calculate the value of molarity. So how to calculate the value of molarity, student? Let us see. Molarity. So this is very simple, student. Molarity means number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute divided by volume in liter. Divided by volume in liter. Dear student, how to calculate number of moles? Because I am doing little in short form. So number of moles, student, you calculate, that is given mass upon what, student? That is molar mass, and that is volume in liter, student. So what we can do, student, volume in milliliter divided by 1000. So given mass, how much is there, student? Calculate the normality of NaOH solution when 2 gram is there, and molar mass of NaOH, student, if you want to calculate molar mass of NaOH. So how much will come, student? NaOH. So Na is 23 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen 1. It is coming how much, student? 40. So it is 2 by 40. And how much volume they have given, student? 800 ml. So 800 by 1000. What we can do is, student, we can simplify this. Okay, simple mathematics. To 2 into 1000 divided by what, student? 480 into 800. You see, student, 302 to the 4. So how much is coming, student? 1 by 16 normal. So if you want to normality is equal to normal, therefore normality, how much is coming, student? Therefore normality, student, how much is coming? 1 by 16 normal. Okay, this is our answer. Now, student, this is the fractional answer. If you want to give the decimal answer, therefore you can write, student, normality is equal to how much value will come, student? If you divide 1 by 16, let us see, student, 1 divided by 16. So how much is coming, student? 0.86. It is 0.0625. 0.06. Student, coming 0.0625. 0.0625 normal. So this is we got the value of normality, student. So the 2 questions we are able to do, student. Now let us do some more problem also, student. Okay, so what is other problem? We will do some more problem, student, to make the concept clear. Student, when you are watching the full video, then you will be able to understand all the problem. Now let us solve the one more problem on the normality. Sometime what student, you people are trying to get the problem, but it is not available everywhere, the problem. So what is the advantage by the YouTube? You will go to the detailed video and you will get the sum of the problem from the YouTube also. So now let us see the student, what is the question number 3rd here. Calculate the normality of solution containing. Question here, student, calculate the normality of solution. Calculate the normality of solution containing 15.8 gram. What, student? Containing 15.8 gram of KMNO4 molar mass is given. Molar mass, how much giving, student? 158 in 50 ml acidic solution. In 50 ml acidic solution. So dear student, this is very easy problem. Let us solve this. So solution, when you are doing, student, so they are asking calculate the normality, student, and normality formula you know, student. So normality, capital N is equal to what, student? Is equal to small n into what, student? This is molarity. Student, first of all, let us calculate the n factor. So how to n factor for KMNO4 in acidic medium. So dear student, first of all, you should know in acidic medium it is converting into what compound? KMnO4 is converting into what compound? So KMnO4 is converting into Mn2 plus ion, student, in the acidic medium. So let us firstly do the solution. And so here is there, student, KMnO4. Okay, it is converting into Mn2 plus, student. So here is oxidation number, student, plus 7, and here is plus 2. So change in oxidation number, how much, student? So decrease by how much, student? Decrease by plus 5. Decrease by 5. So how much change in oxidation? N factor is equal to how much, student? Change in oxidation number. Change in oxidation number. And if you are talking about change in oxidation number, how much is there, student? 5. Okay, so this is decrease. So 5. So therefore, what is, student? N equal to what, student? N equal to 5. This information we got. Now what we have to calculate, student? Molarity also. So let us calculate. After erasing this, I am going to calculate the normality. So student, normality, I told you we are going very short formula of normality, because already we have calculated so many formula. So normality, student, normality, that is capital N is equal to what will okay, molarity, student, not normality. Okay, so molarity is equal to, student, capital M is equal to, that is number of moles of solute, divided by what, student? Solute divided by volume of solution in liter, Ab, student, what we have to do, number of moles, how you calculate, student? So number of moles you calculate, student, by given mass upon what, student? What you do? Given mass upon molar mass. So here we are writing, student, given mass upon what, student? Molar mass divided by volume of solution in liter, student. So that is volume in ml divided by 1000. So student, you given mass how much? 15.8 student. 15.8 is given mass. Molar mass 158, student. How much volume they have given, student? That is, calculate the normality of solution containing 15.8 gram of KMnO4 in 15 ml. Okay, in 50, not 15 ml, student. It is the 50 ml acidic solution. So what will happen, student? Ml is there. So divided by what we can do, student? 1000. Simplified, student, 158 multiply by 1000 divided by 158 multiply by 50. So 10 will remove the decimal, student. So see how much will come? 158 multiply by 100. 158 multiply by what, student? 100 divided by 158 multiply by 50. 158 gone. So how much is coming, student? 2. So here molarity we are getting, student. Molarity, how much, student? This is 2. Now, student, now the normality, now apply. Normality is equal to how much, student? N into molarity. N factor you calculated, student, 5. Okay, and molarity you got, student, 2. So how much is coming, student? 10. Okay, so therefore normality is equal to how much, student? 10 normal. This is our what is, student? This is our answer. Okay, student. Now let us move some other problem. If you can solve some other problem, student, let me check out if any other problems we can give. This is all about the problem based on normality, student. You try to calculate some other problem from the books. Thank you so much for watching, friends.